Now we are going to start our. We will solve this question. N equals to 7 value, n value is 7 and n equals to 10. For these two values we have to solve this question. Okay. So चलिए. So first we take the value of n equals to 7. Now magic fun into 7. The value n here goes to 7. Now if n equals to 0, so check 7 equals to 0. Is it true or false? False. So it will go to the else part. In else also it is written return magic fun n divided by 2. So return magic fun n divided by 2. So what is the value of n now? 7. 7 divided by 2 कितना हुआ? 3. So 3 into 10 plus what is the value of n? 3 modulus sorry 7. यहाँ पर भी 7 ही रहेगी. 7 modulus of 10 2. 7 modulus of 2 1 remainder. करेक्ट. इतना ही रहेगा बस ये. अब हमारे पास क्या रहेगा? मैजिक 3 जाएगा वापस. अब मैजिक 3 में हमारे पास वैल्यू क्या गई? 3. So n equals to 0 condition false. So magic fun n divided by 2, that is 3 divided by 2 कितना आएगा? 1. So यहां से हमारा कितना है? 1. So magic fun 1 into 10 plus 1 modulus of 2. 1 modulus of 3 modulus of 2 1. Now magic fun 1 will go. अब 1 की वैल्यू कितनी रही यहाँ पे? 1 equals to 0 condition. ये भी false है. Then we will go to the return magic fun n divided by 10. So it should be now 0. So magic fun 0 into 10 plus 1 modulus of 2 1. अब हमारे पास कितना जाएगा? मैजिक 0. मैजिक 0 पे रिटर्न क्या हुआ हमारा? 0. मैजिक 0 पे that means when the n is 0 what is the value it return? 0. तो मैजिक 0 की वैल्यू कितनी हुई हमारी? 0. So 0 into 10 0 और 0 plus 1 1. So your magic 1 is 1. Now 1 into 10 plus 1 11. So magic 3 is 11. So 11 into 10 plus 1. What is the 11 into 10? 110. 110 plus 1. That is 1101. So your answer is 111. not 1101. It is 111. And what is the value of 7? When we find it's a binary. So 2, 3 is 6, 1. 2 1 is 2 1. So 1 1 1. So it is our binary question. That means this is a recursive function that converts your decimal value into the binary system. Okay. And here we are having that now to 10. So 10 can be solved by you only. Okay. And if there has any problem, you can ask. Is there any your question? You have to ask, na? Ask any question about the recursion. If you are having any question, Arpit, this question is for you. Okay. Now the next question, I will take the next question of the recursion. In the previous class we had done the factorial, one output question. Today one output question we had done. Okay. Now there is a one homework question also for you that you will not do, I know, but you have to do. Binary search using recursion. Do the binary search using recursion.
Brother, here is a book. Working.
Okay, now we are going to start one more to our recursion question. A prime number recursion, binary recursion, that is binary indirect recursion. You just see one question that is here related to our this one indirect recursion. Direct and indirect recursion is that one function call itself that is वो अपने फंक्शन से खुद को कॉल करेगा, लेकिन कभी दूसरा फंक्शन से करे और वो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड हो, वो देखिए एक क्वेश्चन का करते हैं अपन. क्लास चेक, इज इट विजिबल? It is very visible on this. So class chat string event int n. If n equals to 0, if n is equal to 0, then what we have print, system out dot print. No, we will return this. We will return number is even. Return of even. In your else, return x odd n minus 1. Then we have this function is closed here. Another function string.
Sir, there is
odd yeah
स्ट्रिंग सर आपने बंद कर दिया एल से बाहर कर दिया उसके
string odd here also int n. If your n equals to 0, system out of print return odd and if else return even n minus 1.
इससे ज़्यादा नीचे हो
return even minus 1. Okay. Now take the value of even, that is a function 3. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे किसको ले लेते हैं, फंक्शन 3 को ले लेते हैं. That means the value of n we will consider here 3. So if the value is 3, so first it will go to the string even into 3. So n equals to 0. 3 equals to 0 condition is false. It will go to the else part. In else return odd n minus 1. So here return odd n minus 1. Now odd minus 1 is going to the next function. This is your indirect. This is not going to the same function. It is going to the different function. So there odd n minus 1. So odd n minus 1 2. Value 2 will go. Now where is that? So odd 2. So n ki the value of n here is 2. 2 equals to 0 condition false. Then it will go return even n minus 1. So the value will be even 2 minus 1 1. Now it will go to the even 1. Now a function is calling two functions are there and these two functions are calling to each other and they are recursion also. Why they are recursion? Because this function is calling this function and your odd function is calling the even function. So they have recursion, but this recursion is called your indirect recursion. Okay, because recursion is the calling itself again and again. So the calling is there again and again, but by different function. Okay, so this is the or these two functions are dependent on each other. Okay, so even 1 here. Now 1 equals to 0 condition false. It will go to the return odd 1 minus 1 0. Return 1 minus 1 0. Then return n 0. So 0 equals to 0. Return odd. So what will be the answer here now? Odd. Clear? So your answer will be here odd, and 3 is your odd number. So this simple program is only for the to check the number whether the number is your even or odd. So this is the recursion. This is the indirect recursion by which we had done whether the program is a number is even or odd. Clear? Okay. Now we will take one more question or that question you have to do for the binary search. Okay, binary searching you have to do. One more question I am giving, and that question is just for void method into C if C equals to 0 system out dot print ln space else system out dot print ln hello plus C and the method minus C and system out dot print ln space plus C. Your else is closed here and your method is closed. Okay, and the value of counter, that is C, is equals to 3. So value of C is 3. Now consider this question. Now int C equals to 3 we had given. It had given int C equals to 3. Is it visible, this part? Okay. This line? Correct, na? ठीक है. So int C, if C equals to 0, the value is false. It will go to the else part. There it is written system out dot print ln C. So hello and 3 will come. Hello 3 will come. Correct? Now method minus C. Method minus C, that means it is showing a recursion minus C. The value will call the function method where the value is passed is 2. So the value of C equals to 2 now. C equals to 0. Condition false because C equals to 2. So 2 equals to 0. Condition is false. We will go to the again else part. In else it is written system out of print ln hello C. So your answer will be hello 2 will go. Correct? Now after that hello 2. Now this function is not executed. ये फंक्शन अभी आपका एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो रहा है, बट ये आपका स्टैक में चल रहा है. ये आपका स्टैक में चल रहा है. hello 2. Now it will go to the another minus 1. So 1 minus 2, that is 1. C equals to 0. Condition false again. hello 1. hello 1 will go. Correct? यहां तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है? नहीं है ना? Now hello 1 will go, then minus C, that is hello 0. So my method 0 is going there, and when C equals to 0, system out of print ln space. So now they are going to print the space here. वहां पर ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? स्पेस प्रिंट कर रहे हैं. And after this space, now our stack of this will be get printed. So what is the value of C now? 0. So the 0, after that your 1, and after that your 2. So 3 times this also execute, but in the reverse of the stack, na? So your answer will be here 0. So एक चीज हमेशा याद रखिए, your recursion is following the stack. That is the last in, first out. Okay, so that much in this class, and tomorrow we are going to study about Tower of Hanoi.